Number 10. Ever tripped over absolutely nothing, slammed into the ground, and just got up, like the floor should be apologizing to you? You might have a rare mutation in the L or P5 gene. Your bones aren't just dense, they're basically reinforced. Concrete in human packaging. While most people break a wrist opening a jar, you crash into tables, roll off bikes, and walk away with the emotional damage but zero fractures. Dentists hate you. X-rays bounce off you like you're part cyborg. This gene suppresses bone deterioration and makes your skeleton a fortress. You don't just survive falls, you cause structural damage to the sidewalk. Physics doesn't boss you around at books, meetings with your DNA. You're not unbreakable, but it would take a lot of paperwork to prove otherwise. You're like the final boss of a yoga class, flexible, zen, and absolutely indestructible. Number 9. You walk into Home Depot, see a wall of paint swatches, and nearly cry, not from confusion, but from the sheer emotional intensity of 73 shades of what others call blue. You, my friend, might have Tetrachromacy, a rare condition where your eyes have a fourth cone cell. Most people have 3. You have a bonus cone, and with it, a rainbow upgrade that lets you see colors normal humans can't even imagine. That off-white wall, you see it as betrayal-tinged ivory. While others post no-filter sunsets, your eyeballs are already living in maximum saturation. You're like a walking Instagram filter with God-tier color grading. And no, you can't explain it. People think you're being dramatic. When you say, the sky looks aggressive today, you're not weird, you're chromatically elite. Welcome to life with butterfly vision, where the color wheel cries trying to keep up with your retinas. Number 8. While everyone else needs blackout curtains, 3 alarms, and half a pot of coffee to function, you're up before sunrise writing a business plan and organizing your cereal by mood. If that's you, you might carry the DEC2 mutation. It's basically a biological cheat code that makes your body say, 4 hours of sleep, let's dominate. You don't nap, you recharge at 2x speed, while the rest of us crawl out of bed like damp pasta. You're already halfway through a TED Talk and meal prepping for next week. Your energy is suspicious. Friends think you're lying. Sleep scientists hate you. You've become the person that productivity gurus worship and everyone else resents. But it's not your fault, it's literally in your DNA. You're not tired, you're optimized. And no, you're not running on caffeine. You're running on elite-level mitochondria and unrelenting ambition. Number 7. You taste things others don't. Not like a foodie, more like a chemically tortured oracle. A single bite of broccoli feels like betrayal. Black coffee? Emotional assault. Cilantro? A soap-scented curse from a leaf. That's because your TAS2R38 gene is dialed all the way up. You're a super taster, while others casually eat kale and call it fresh. You're dealing with bitterness in 4000 ultra-high def. Your tongue is packed with extra taste buds. Like your mouth grew an entire flavor SWAT team. Restaurant menus are more like landmine maps. You're not being picky, you're experiencing molecular chaos. Every time you chew, you don't eat to enjoy, you eat to survive. Food is war, and your palate is stuck in a never-ending flavor revolution. Friends think you're dramatic, but you're just a taste detective cursed with the ability to identify evil in a salad. Number 6. Everyone's out here slapping their arms, like they're losing a drum battle with the air, but you, not a bite, not even a buzz. You stroll through mosquito season like a mythical being. Why? Because of a rare variation in your ABCC11 gene. Your sweat lacks the compounds that trigger mosquito radar. You're not dinner, you're invisible. While others are marinating in citronella, you're out here looking smug without a single itchy souvenir. Scientists call it reduced mosquito attractiveness. We call it nature's most passive-aggressive gift. It's like having built-in bug repellent encoded into your DNA. Campfires, you're thriving. Lake days, you're untouchable. The only downside, you never truly understand the struggle of summer suffering. Your friends hate you a little, and you should absolutely let them. Because while they itch through the night, you're sleeping peacefully, bite-free, like a mosquito-proof deity. Number 5. Ever had someone ask, what mascara you use, and you have to say, I was born with it? That's not just good genes, it's Distichiasis, a rare condition where you grow a second row of eyelashes. Basically, your DNA said, one row isn't enough, let's double the drama. Your eyelids show up to every event overdressed. It sounds glamorous, like you should be modeling for ancient royalty. But the truth? Sometimes it's less beauty, more blink warfare. Those bonus lashes occasionally stab you mid-wink like tiny silk daggers. But hey, Cleopatra would have worshipped your lash game. And optometrists, they live for your eyeball plot twist. You don't wear falsies, you're falsies. Double lashes are nature's way of putting eyeliner on your genome. You blink, and the room takes notice. You don't just flutter your lashes, you command attention genetically. Number 4. You walk into a room and immediately detect the cologne someone wore 3 days ago. Mold in the vents, that one coworker's guilt. If you've got hyperosmia, your nose isn't just sensitive, it's terrifyingly precise. Your olfactory system runs like a biochemical CSI lab. While others smell cookies, you identify nutmeg, fake vanilla, and a hint of existential dread. Perfume counters, sensory war zones, scented candles, hostile negotiations. Subways, unspeakable. You once broke up with someone because their deodorant smelled like dishonesty. You're not just sniffing, you're decoding the chemical signatures of the universe. Hyperosmia makes life intense, beautiful sometimes, but mostly exhausting. You can smell mood shifts, hormonal changes, and whether your Uber driver had onions last night. It's not a gift, it's a full-time job. Welcome to life with an ultra nose, where fresh air is rare and every whiff is a novel. Number 3. You stub your toe, look down, and keep walking. Someone asks if you're okay, and you have to look to check. If this is normal for you, you might have a mutation in the SCN9A gene, a rare condition that drastically reduces your ability to feel pain. Sounds like a superpower, right? Until you realize pain is how most of us detect danger. You're out here walking on a sprain like it's a minor inconvenience. Toothache? Didn't notice. Broken finger? Must have happened Tuesday. Your pain sensors are basically on do not disturb mode, which is amazing for stubbed toes, but terrifying for real injuries. You're not fearless, you just don't get the warning signals. You're living in hard mode without realizing it. Sure, you could fall down the stairs and keep going, but maybe also go to the doctor, just in case. Number 2. You had cataract surgery, and suddenly, the world got weird. Blue light looks different, certain flowers glow. Some people's clothes sparkle. Like rave gear, congratulations. Your eye might be letting in ultraviolet light. Normally, your eye's lens blocks UV rays. But if you've had that lens removed and not replaced with the UV filter, surprise, you've accidentally unlocked B-vision. This rare phenomenon lets you see the world in ways most humans physically can't. Artists like Claude Monet are believed to have painted this way after eye surgery. His blues and violets got way more intense. UV light reveals things normally hidden, patterns on plants, optical illusions in nature, and the invisible flaws in laundry detergent commercials. You're not just seeing color, you're seeing secrets. It's rare, weird, and kind of beautiful. You've accidentally upgraded your eyes, and the world will never look the same again. Number 1. Ever had an unexplainable sense of direction? Like you could just feel north? Turns out, that might not be intuition. It could be magnetite crystals in your brain. Yes, like the stuff birds use to migrate. Humans have it too. Scientists put people in shielded rooms, played with magnetic fields, and watched their brains light up, despite them feeling nothing. Translation? Your brain is passively tracking Earth's magnetic field all the time. You've got a built-in compass. It's subconscious. You can't turn it off. And while it won't replace Google Maps anytime soon, it might explain why you always find your way back from a hike. Even without GPS, most of us are flying blind. But not you. Your brain is literally sensing with the planet like a nature-powered GPS chip. Congratulations, you're low-key a migrating goose. Only better dressed. Also subscribe to see more videos like this.